Tally ho. The wind is blowing. We just picked up this track. Never saw a rabbit yet. Ricky in the blue collar just only run a few rabbits. He's real green. Alright, I'm gonna stop for a minute. Ricky's out in front of him. I expected that. He'll be a little bit steppier than these dogs. There you go, Woodrow. You can tell Ricky's inexperienced there. That rabbit jumped a couple of feet and he didn't pick it up. He made a right instead of a left. Get up there with him, buddy. Okay, you two better get up there. Alright, that's enough of this. They're not going to run all together. This wasn't a intended two-couple pack or anything. Just trying to get these two slower ones up there with them and Zoe some exercise. Have a good day.